Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog. Boil. Captain's boil. the girl was like, today's 14th.
Yeah.
Sanitize your hand. Just sanitize your hand.
Wow, look at the wow.
Question. For this one, because I want seafood fried rice with, it's either shrimp. I want mussels and the crab legs. How much is that?
So the prices they are on the board. So we have snow crab legs is 35 per pound, and yeah, shrimp, mussels, clams, yeah, by pound. You order by pound.
Okay.
Yeah. So for snow crab is the cheapest one, so it's 35 per pound, and you choose your flavor and how spicy, and it comes with two sides. You can choose it with corn, potato, or steamed rice for free. If you want fried rice, you have to order it by itself. Those combo doesn't come with any crab except for this combo here.
How much is it?
It's 130. You choose lobster or Dijonese crab. Yeah, I think it's better if you want crab legs. You can order snow crab legs, and you choose two sides with it, and you can order fried rice.
Okay, I'll get the cheap one, the first one that you said.
Yeah.
With the you get fried rice. Captain's fried rice. I got mussels and shrimp. Also, we ordered chicken slices. Some corn on the side. Yeah, so hungry. Thank you. This is the Captain's fried rice. So there's like seafood, shrimps. I think there's scallops in here. And some egg. I'm not sure. Some corn. What's good? Tastes like crab. Tastes like $1 million food. But we gotta dip that. Okay.
So good. Is that good? That's good. What flavor is that?
Captain's flavor. The chicken tastes more like crab. Maybe because of the sauce.
What about the,
It doesn't look like chicken.
what about the shrimp?
You have mussels.
Yeah,
Again, you gotta dip that. Because you want the flavor there.
Good?
We'll see you guys soon on our next vlog. Bye!